Back to the coronavirus outbreak now. Here's what you may have missed if you're just waking up with us this morning. There are now more than 132,000 cases and 5,000 deaths worldwide. The U.S. has 1,600 cases and at least 41 deaths.
But on a better note, the infection rate has slowed down in hardest hit Asian countries. China only reported a handful of new cases. Meanwhile, European shares opened higher today after yesterday's huge losses.
Over in Australia, events with more than 500 people, they're being called off there. Several sporting events in the country will go ahead with empty stadiums.
In our state, large gatherings are banned and the 180-day school requirement has been waived, leading to hundreds of school cancellations. 5 people have tested positive, including a child in Stratford.
We know that student attends Wilcoxon Elementary School and is now recovering at home. Students and staff at the school are being asked to self-quarantine. All other schools in Stratford will now be closed until further notice.
That it was best for prevention in an abundance of caution that we cancel school so everyone can have the opportunity to not be in a petri dish, so to speak, of the schools.
Schools in our major cities, they're closing as well. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Carolina Cruz joins us live now at Kennedy High School in Waterbury with more on that. Good morning, Carolina.
Good morning to you. Well, the plan to close is definitely not an easy one, and the logistics that superintendents have to figure out are a lot of them, including how they can continue to feed the kids that are relying on the meals that they get here at school, also how to disinfect all of the items on campus, and then a last one is also how to figure out that kids can get all of this classwork done online. The way of learning is changing. A flurry of school leaders made the decision to close after Governor Lamont announced yesterday he's waiving the 180-day requirement for schools. The move will allow schools to end on June 30th, no matter how many days students attend this school year. Students in the Waterbury Public School District are among the growing number who will complete assignments at home with the help of online resources. When it comes to meals, starting Monday, students will have access to breakfast and lunch every day through grab-and-go ready meals. The city of Waterbury also activated its Emergency Operations Center. Residents can call 311 to get information about COVID-19 any time of day. While some schools have an idea of when students will return to class, others are closed until further notice. Parents and caregivers are urged to prepare long-term plans for childcare.
A lot of people in the world that don't have that type of help, that don't have family, that don't, have the support that I'm lucky and fortunate to have.
New Haven schools are also closed today, and Hartford schools will close starting Monday. Students there received school-issued laptops. We are continuing to get updates on school closures, so you can see the updated list just scrolling through the bottom of our page here, and then you can also go online. You can go online to check for more school closures, and also it's on our app. For now, reporting in Waterbury, I'm Carolina Cruz, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.